Hi guys, we are back and I'm very happy. So yeah, I don't know why the sound is so. Maybe I should just wait. I'm gonna do something. I'm just gonna. This is so much better. Okay, now I can actually wait. Maybe I should crank it a bit more up. I think those monsters were our friend. Is what I'm saying. It's getting late. Maybe you should get some rest. Yeah, doggy, don't get rest. Don't get rest. Yeah, Toki, oh wait, what is that potion? No worries, guys, we're gonna learn what the potion is anyway. I don't hear anything, alright. Anyway, I turned the volume down before I've tried to each time that you know, okay, it might, I tried to record this video at least, over 2 times, and both of the times I died. Oh, like not once, not twice, not even 3 times. I died like every single time that I tried to record this, and there is a reason why. And if you could only refund skins in Piggy, I would definitely refund the sheepy skin that I have bought. I mean, I would buy Toki with that money. I mean, like I'm saving up to buy infected doggy skin because like that is a very cool skin. Oh, by the way, you guys are like you probably want to see what's going on in the story, so I'm just gonna show you what happened to Toki. Where is Toki? Toki, come here. Hey, Toki, where are you? What? You see him? He's infected. Yeah, I would have more emotions, but the problem is that I've tried to do this so many times that I don't really even care. I've completed this map in the past. I do not know how. I've completed it by having an alt as the piggy. Right. So this tower, why I don't like this at the start of trying to record this video, I said that this is like my one of my favorite maps. I think I'm gonna take that back now, cause like this isn't really any more of my any. It isn't my favorite map anymore. It's quite far from being my favorite map, and the reason why is quite simple. Oh my god, doggy! You see this cool skin? His killing animation is very cool when he like kills you. I mean, okay, that isn't cool when that happens, but okay, maybe with the doggy skin it is, cause like I don't know, the animation is cool. But okay, let's just complete the map. I just the problem is why I died and why I kind of suck. I don't know if like bro, I completed the no, not Carnival. I forgot the name. Gallery map, right? That was a very hard map for me back then, right? Now it's not that hard anymore, right? I can do that. I think that is the gun. Is that the gun? Yep, that is the gun. Um, yeah, if you ask why it in children friendly game, right? Piggies and Roblox and well, I'm not actually saying Roblox is made for kids. It's children friendly, but it's not like Cocomelon or something like it's right. Oh my god, I didn't use the hammer. I'm so dumb. And sheep is over here. Okay. The problem is I have to use the gold key up there to get the wrench to unlock the door. And the problem is getting to the tower is easy, but the big problem is that kind of that I can't get down. Like I can't get down from that tower because like that is very hard for me. And I've got some solutions. One is to glitch out Piggy by making her be stuck. As you can see, Doggy is stuck, right? He's stuck. He's stuck. Oh, basically each time that you play this game, yeah, he's gonna get stuck over there. So yeah, if you play chapter 4, you can already know that yeah, doggy is gonna get stuck in there normally. I mean, one time I played, he didn't get stuck, but yeah, that was like one time. So yeah, normally he does get stuck. All right, so let's get the torch. Okay, sheep is over there. Man, I really wish you could refund skins. Like, I understand maybe you Like, okay, you get a refund skins that you can't buy anymore, or skins that you can't buy at all. Like I have a skin that you can't buy, but look, you can get it. It's not easy. It's quite hard. Maybe it's easy for some of you guys. You have to there in each book one map there are 6 pieces of paper, and in each chapter, right? And there's 12 chapters in book one, and also there's book two, which also has 12 chapters. I haven't completed book two fully. I know what happens there basically, but like I'm on chapter 6 and I haven't completed it yet. I mean, I don't. I could if I grinded that chapter, but like I don't really want to grind that chapter anyway. Basically, it's alright, Sheepy. I thought she was stuck for a second. The skin is so loud, by the way. I would probably like put on more volume. I mean, I can. I'm not gonna get near. I mean, my volume is quite low right now, cause I like the ability to hear. That is a very great ability. You know, I have to use it in school in order to understand what the teachers are trying to say. But like the little bit of a problem over here is that you know, sheep's skin is very loud, and I had like not max, but like I had 2 bars of volume, and my other volume that I cranked down to 50%, that was on 100. And even if I put the Roblox volume to one, 1 bar, then it was still so loud. Okay, should I use the gun? I have to get the gun near. You know what? I'm gonna leave the orange. No, I'm gonna leave the gold key near the tower, and then I'm gonna get the gun, shoot Sheepy, put down a decoy, so she kills that decoy, and then I'm gonna try to get that thing right. So let's just put the gold key over here. That is quite close. Alright, so now we just get the gun, which sounds very, very wrong. I mean, no worries. The gun, this gun only spreads love. It doesn't shoot or anything. Like it just spreads love. It doesn't like injure people. It doesn't like do any of that stuff. No, no, no. This gun is for like spreading love. It doesn't make people handicapped or anything like that. Nah, nah. This is a children-friendly game. How could it do anything like that? Okay, let's just get Sheepy over here. Sheepy, I I'm sorry, Sheepy. I just have to do it. I just hate you so much that I. Okay, no worries. Sheepy is alright. She's gonna be back in like 20 seconds. So no, she has like no problems. Though I okay. Okay, I got the range. Now I just can't die. So let's just see. Okay, sheep is over there. I'm just gonna use this. Okay, all that I have to do is use the branch and then we're out of this place. After all of those years. After all of those. Okay, we got 2 minutes. We should be able to do this, right? I hope we can, cause if we can't, then I'm probably gonna rage if I'm honest. Like I actually am. Okay, maybe I'm not gonna like I'm not gonna swear or anything like that. I mean, this is a children friendly channel. I mean, and the gun is for spreading love. I swear that isn't for anything different. It's not like for like handicapping people. Oh my god, we actually did it. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. Yeah. I'm just gonna crank the volume back up so you guys can hear us. This thing. You escaped. I'm so happy, bro. Hello, is anyone out there? Me, I'm here. I just completed this map finally, bro. I'm so happy, right? So, is anyone out here? Yes, I am. Okay, now we just wait. Wait, guys. We have to read one thing. Okay, wait. So, I'm gonna read the page for you guys. Doggy and I had been safe and sound in this forest for weeks now. We've been silently visiting small towns and taking supplies from them. We spoke for days about what we'll do when it's over. Doggy said he'd like to travel to south someday. and visit old monuments and ruins. I don't know what I'll do. I couldn't get my mind out of the world state. One night I woke up to discover a broken and empty potion and a missing friend. I looked around and found Doggy. He was one of them. My gut sank and I felt weak. Where did this potion come from and why did he drink it? Was he forced to? He had red eyes, not like the others. Someday I will get to the bottom of this. As I left the forest to no longer be faced with such a harsh blow to my heart, I came across a radio with a voice that instructed me to head to school. Declining onto anything to distract my mind, I followed their instructions. And the picture says, other than others had the idea to stay due, it looks like it worked out the same way as it did for us. Yeah, probably. I mean, like, yeah, let's just wait, guys, okay?